Hey, back again with another update on the NX. Biggest thing is I took the headlight and instrument cluster off because I got a problem with the speedo cable. Um, the speedometer was not working on the NX. Obviously, that's what we're talking about. So I took the instrument cluster off and tried to replace the needle on the tack, which didn't work. And I swapped out. I had an extra housing, so using this newer housing and got mm, broke both the needles, as you can see. Um, and this backing was nicer from the spare I had. So I am currently waiting on lights, LEDs from superbrightled.com to go in here. Then I'm going to put that all back together after I think I'm just going to, because this still works. I'm just going to glue a Capri Sun straw on here because this plastic is insanely brittle and will snap with any kind of pressure. And I don't know where to find a new one. Maybe I'll make it out of cardboard or something. Um, since the last video, though, I have gotten the wheel on and the chain on and the new brakes in, but I did not balance the wheel. So I'm going to take it off after I buy a wheel balancer and some weights and balance it out. Put it back on. Um, I haven't ridden it yet, but I would imagine that since the heavy spot, which you can see over here, is pretty close because I didn't pay attention to this when I mounted it. The heavy spot here is pretty close. I guess there's the valve. Yeah, maybe it wouldn't have been that bad, but it wouldn't if I'm gonna ride there and where is it? There. Close. But if I'm gonna ride down to the beach 7 hours, I want it to be as close to perfect as possible. Um, so yeah, I've been looking all over for a 90, where is it? 90 by 100 by 19 tire to replace this one. And I'm only finding 100 by 90 19-inch rims. So they will be a little taller and a little wider, but I think I've got about 5 millimeters of space on either side there to get that to work. So soon I will have this back on. I'm going to get an LED headlight to pop in here because this looks like it was the original bulb. 88. I don't know, maybe that was the year it was made because this is the bike's in 89. Um, this wouldn't illuminate, a pitch black room. So I'm gonna get an LED, really make sure that it's throwing all the light that it can. I got new grommets for the cowl, not housing, but mounting, and these weren't level. One of these was a bit higher than the other, or wasn't straight on this piece. And I got them as close to straight as I can because the cowl wasn't fitting perfectly. It was just off a little bit. And then I've tried to level out these bars here as much as I can. Looks like this one's a little higher now because that's the bottom of the cowl mounts there. Yeah, the level was all the way over here. all the way over on this side. So I'm getting there. So yeah, that's where we're at now. I think I'm just gonna buy a cheap wheel balancer at Harbor Freight and do that in the next couple of weeks. Today was the last day of school, so hopefully I'll be able to work on it more soon. I am gonna get a new rubber so I don't tear up my boots here. That seems to be not hitting. Seems to be good, but new rubber for the gear shifter. I'm gonna get a new cable, speedo cable, because that is not working and I don't understand why. And it's not coming out. Like, it is in there. This screw is completely stripped. I don't know where it went because I've got to replace that. But I needed to buy an impact socket or an impact bit to get it out. And now the speedo cable won't come out. So that tells me the problem's down in here somewhere. And ordering a new one's the right thing. So hopefully I'll be doing that soon and have another video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, throw rocks at, do whatever. Catch you in the next one.